The Education Department is ready with its action plan on the reopening of the schools if the lockdown to combat COVID is not extended. Principal Secretary in charge of Education Department D.P. Walang told reporters after the meeting with the stakeholders on Saturday. He also said that they will also need to have a discussion with the Health and Family Welfare Department before taking any final decision on the reopening of the schools. Meanwhile, Walang said that the people who are affected by the lockdown will not have to pay the fees from March till May.
Okay. Decisions will be taken later on after we consult the Health Department also and internally also within the department. But today it's only a meeting to consult and discuss with these various stakeholders. No decisions have been taken, but then they are all internal as of now, because we still have to discuss with the Health Department, we still have to discuss at the higher level also. But the agenda of the meeting is on opening of schools, is on school fees, is on hostel fees, and evaluation. Evaluation, of course, has already started. No, I cannot say when the schools will start, will reopen, because that call will have to be taken after more consultations. We'll have to consult the Health Department also on that. Today we have had meeting only with the Vice Chancellor of NEHU. We've had meeting with all the stakeholders of various managing committees and governing bodies, and more discussions are required, more importantly with the Health and Family Welfare Department. School fees, we have more or less agreed that the school fees for the period during lockdown, that is for the month of March, April and May, will be exempted for those who are impacted by this lockdown. Those who are impacted, meaning like for example, if he or she is a daily laborer who's not been able to go to work, then he won't have to pay fees. Yes, the managing committee has the statistics and also data on the parents' income. Each and every school has. So the managing committee will have to take a call. We'll issue a directive in due course of time. The evaluation has already started. So last year, the class 10 matric exams results were declared on the 26th of May. It will not be very far from that date this year also. And we'll have to conduct the 4 papers also, which are still left. And that will be done in the month of May only, provided there's a small caveat, that is the lockdown is not extended. So nothing is final as of now because we are not so sure about the lockdown in the first place. If it is extended, then we'll have to revisit again. But if it is not extended, then we have our plans.